Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kristen, and today I'm going to be sharing with you 10 interior design tips and tricks to make your home look more luxurious, high-end, and expensive. This is one of my favorite topics to touch on. I used to work for a very high-end interior designer that had clients with extremely large budgets. I was immersed into luxury design, but I always believed that making a beautiful space doesn't have to cost a lot of money. There are so many ways to create a luxury designer space without breaking the bank. So I hope you can use some of these design ideas in your home to make it look that much more luxurious and high-end. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is something that you can do right now to add a little designer touch to your home, and it's just simply rolling your towels. Interior design is definitely about the way things look, but it's also about the way things make you feel. And rolled towels give you that instant luxury feeling. As soon as you see some rolled towels, it just looks like some extra added detail. This is such a fun little thing that you can do because it's free and it makes such a big difference. You can turn your flat hand towels into a beautiful presentation. I'm going to show you how I'm doing that using my brand new towels and new baskets and accessories from Walmart. So thank you so much to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. Walmart is the one-stop shop to find everything that you need for your home on a budget. They make it super easy to shop. I shopped all of this online and got it delivered in just 2 days. They have free 2-day shipping on orders over $35, so I could get started on this little setup as soon as possible. I love that they carry stylish brands and on-trend pieces. You can find Better Homes and Gardens baskets, beautiful candles, and I even got the Gap Home towel set. This towel set is perfect for the guest room because it has 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 wash towels. These are super soft. They're made of organic cotton, so if you're looking for some nice soft towels, this set is really beautiful. I'll have all of these products linked down below as well in case you're interested, but trust me, once you try this rolling method, you'll never go back. I love that it gives you this nice cross-diagonal line. It keeps the roll really tight, it doesn't fall apart, and it's just foolproof. It works on every size towel and it just ups your presentation level. Now to really bring it together, I got this new basket tray. It's a Better Homes and Gardens tray from Walmart and it's so cute. It's perfect for putting a little welcome basket on the bed. I'm putting the hand towels, the wash towels, and this gorgeous candle. I love the color of this candle and it smells amazing. I also love using larger scale baskets like this to hold the full-size towels. This is such a stylish but versatile piece to have in a bedroom. You can also use it to store your extra pillows from the bed or use it as a pretty little laundry basket. So sometimes it's about the little things that really make a big difference in your home. If you want to create a similar look in your space and get that luxe look for less, definitely shop the links down below in the description box. I'll have all of the products linked there. So if you want to make your space look luxurious, you have to know what luxury design looks like. I think immersing yourself into high-end luxury design really allows you to understand what those high-end looks look like so that you can achieve them at a better price. I love following interior design pages on Instagram. I fill my homepage with pictures of homes and interiors because it really just inspires me all day long. Really immerse yourself into the world of design so you know what to look out for. Another thing I love to do that I think makes a really big difference is just window shopping at high-end stores. Check out all of the design details, the furniture, the fabrics that they're using, because those are going to be those high-end pieces and you can go elsewhere and find them on a budget. Window shopping at high-end stores is going to allow you to recognize those designer dupes at more affordable stores. I find so much excitement in finding designer duplicates and I'm always sharing them over on my Instagram stories. I do little polls on there to try and see if you guys can pick out which one is the most affordable. These 2 wall sconces are very similar. They're obviously going after the same look, the same design idea, the same style, but they have 2 completely different prices. This one at the top is $200 and this one at the bottom is just $30. Whether you were to use the top sconce or the bottom sconce, you would absolutely achieve a very similar look. I'm always sharing little polls and designer dupes on my Instagram stories, so if you're looking for even more ideas, definitely go follow me there. All right, now let's get into a little bathroom designer detail. One little change that you can make to your space is simply switching out those bath mats for a runner. Plain old bath mats are not the best decorative touch. They're definitely functional. I would keep a bath mat for when you're getting out of the bath, but if you're trying to create a designer decorative look in your bathroom, lay down a runner. This can span your entire countertop space, the length of your bathroom. It's going to make your space look bigger. It's a chance to add some color and some texture and a lot of style. Sometimes one little bath mat just does not do it when it comes to that designer look, and sometimes there's just too many bath mats across your entire bathroom. So if you've been looking to kind of spruce up your bathroom a little bit, change out those bath mats, put in a runner, and it will instantly create a luxurious look. All right, now let's get into something that's absolutely taken the interior design space by storm, and that is the frame TV. This is such an amazing solution for hiding your TV, making it look like a beautiful piece of artwork, but also keeping that functionality of a TV. This is just the perfect thing for anybody that just loves interior design, wants to make their home beautiful in every way. A frame TV, I think, will definitely do that. But if you don't have it in the budget right now, you can do what I'm doing. I just go on YouTube and search vintage art. This is gonna give you like 10 hours of art up on your TV. Just adds this little designer touch. I don't have the frame TV. I know it's not the same if you just have a mounted TV, but it does give a little designer touch and it adds to your interior design experience. Now, another little designer detail that you might notice when looking at high-end designer spaces is the floral arrangements, the stems, the vases, the centerpieces. They're always large scale and really over-exaggerated. Large scale stems flowing out of a giant vase is just amazing right now. It's such a statement. It really acts as a focal point. It's a great way of adding color, and it's actually very easy to do. Go outside, go in your backyard, find some stems and some extra trimmings from your tree, and create that designer look in your home. You can do this with dried florals and fresh florals, anything that's really oversized, kind of draping, looking like an architectural feature will add that instant luxury in your home. Now, if you're working on a room in your home or trying to add a little bit more dimension and detail to your space, consider some statement lighting. Lighting doesn't need to cost a lot of money. You don't need to buy designer lights. You can buy designer shaped lights. Anything that's really exaggerated, really beautiful in size and scale will make such a big difference to your home. It will draw your eye up, really expand the look of your home, and make it look like you put that extra effort in to think about lighting. I love those ceiling lights that have those extending arms. Maybe they're in a black finish that really adds that dimension and contrast. It's such a cool touch that you can do to your home and really does make it look designer. Now, sometimes the one little detail that's making your space look flat instead of designer, high-end, and luxurious is pattern. If you're not using any kind of pattern around your home, your space is probably gonna look pretty flat and dull. Color does one thing for sure, but pattern adds such an amazing detail, and it really makes your design decisions look bold and confident. I'm not someone that's huge into pattern, but I do love adding pattern in small touches around my home in different ways. An easy way to do this is with a rug. If you're not feeling comfortable about adding pattern throughout your home, throw down a patterned rug and that will add that instant detail that you need. Another simple way, of course, is through pillows and throw blankets. This is something that's interchangeable. It's very easy to mix patterns when there's similar color schemes, but also when they vary in size. If you're using two patterned pillows on your sofa and they both have large scale patterns on them, they can clash very easily. I would say go with one large scale pattern, one small scale pattern, and that will definitely make it work. And if you're looking to go bold, patterned wallpaper will take your space to the next level. This is always super fun to do in a powder room, especially. A small space that you can make a big impact. Patterned wallpaper always reminds me of a cool, swanky hotel, a really cool restaurant bathroom. So think about those details that you see when you're out and about and implement them into your home. Now, here's something that I know not everyone is into. I'm still trying to get to this point, but minimalism usually looks a lot more luxurious and high-end. Sometimes when your space is cluttered with things, it's looking messy, it just tends to look heavy, dark, and dated. So removing that clutter and going for a little bit more of a minimalist look will give you instant luxury. There's something about minimalist design that just looks very intentional. There's specific things chosen to be in that space for a reason, and there's something very impactful about that. Let me know down below in the comments, are you someone that loves minimalism, or are you someone that loves that layered decorative look? Now, another little detail detail that you can start to implement around your home is matching hardware. If you have a bunch of different doorknobs around your home, different hardware finishes in your kitchen, in your bathrooms, even your light fixtures, consider matching the metal hardware around your home and the style of that hardware. It just makes your entire space look cohesive. And again, hardware does not have to be expensive. It's actually a very affordable change that you can make to your home. It's a little DIY project that you can do over the weekend just to take your home to the next level. Of course, mixed metals around your home is great if it's done in an intentional, designed way. If it's done by accident and you just have stuff kind of mixed matched around your home, it can start to look a little messy. Doorknobs, door hardware, pulls, faucets, lighting fixtures, those small details should really be cohesive, and making that small change will make such a huge difference to your entire space. All right, so that's it for my 10 interior design tips and tricks to make your home look more luxurious, high-end, and expensive. Let me know down below in the comments which one of these design tricks do you absolutely need to start implementing into your home. Now, if you're looking for even more luxurious design ideas on a budget, definitely check out the videos I've made on this topic down below in the description box. Those will give you even more ideas on specific furniture pieces, little design details that you need to start implementing into your home. Anyways, if you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that like button, and make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel so you don't miss the upcoming videos. Click that red subscribe button down below and make sure you guys have your notifications turned all the way on so you're first to see the next video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!